Hello kids, today I am going to teach you English alphabets in different manner, in funny way or in some interesting methods. As you know, English alphabets, there are 26 alphabets A to Z. Okay? This is capital A. And one more thing, I am going to teach you how to write alphabets in cursive manner with capital letter and small letters. A. A for America. America is famous for Statue of Liberty. This is capital A. And how to write small a like this. Now, B for Brazil. Brazil is famous for its Amazon rainforest. B. And how to write this in small letters? Like this. Now C. C for China. C for China, and China is famous for, nowadays China is famous for coronavirus, because coronavirus originated from Wuhan and Wuhan is in China. And small c is also written in same way. Now D. D for Denmark. Denmark is famous for its cows. D is very easy to write. First you write as small a, then like this. E. E for England. England is famous for its palaces. Small e in this way. F. F for France. France is capital of fashion. It is famous for fashion. This. Small f. Now G. G for Greenland. Greenland is covered with ice. Whole Greenland is covered with ice. Small g, just like A, then go downwards like this. Small g. H. H for Himalaya. Himalaya is in north of India and Lord Shiva reside in Himalaya. So how to write capital H in cursive? This and this. I for India. I have forgotten small h. So small h, this and this. I for India. We are proud to be an Indian. Small I like this. Next J. J for Japan. Japan is famous for tsunami and earthquakes. And capital J and small j both are written in same manner. K for Kerala. Kerala is state of India and it is also called country of gods. Small k, this and and this. L. L for London. London is ruled by prince and princess. Queen also lived there. Queen and kings. Small l, this. M. M for Myanmar. Myanmar is our neighboring country. Old name of Myanmar is Burma. N. N for Nepal. Nepal is famous for Mount Everest, highest peak in world. O. O for Oman. Oman is only country which starts from O. P. P for Peru. Peru is in South America and it is famous for its Inca civilization. P. Q. Q for Qatar. Qatar is only country which starts from Q. R. R for Russia. Russia is largest country in earth. S. S for Sudan. Sudan is very poor country. T for Turkey. Turkey is name of bird also. U for Uganda. Uganda is Africa. V. V for Venezuela. W. W for West Indies. West Indies has many famous cricketers. X. There is only one alphabet which doesn't has, means there is no any country which starts from X. Capital X and small x both are written in same way. Y. Y for Yemen. Yemen is an Arabian country. Z. Z for Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is also in Africa. Thank you.